Today is December 10th, International Human Rights Day. 6 years ago, when the International Olympic Committee awarded China the 2008 Summer Olympics, they promised the Games would bring an improved human rights situation in China. But this has not been the case. And in fact, the human rights situation in China and in Tibet is getting steadily worse. In Tibet today, the Chinese authorities have intensified a crackdown on freedom of expression, freedom of religion, and freedom of assembly. Just last month in Eastern Tibet, Runggye Adak, a 52-year-old father of 11 children, was sentenced to 8 years in prison for doing nothing more than calling for the Dalai Lama's return to Tibet. Clearly, China is a human rights failure, and yet the IOC has said nothing. Today, as people worldwide observe Human Rights Day, the International Olympic Committee's executive members are meeting in Lausanne, Switzerland. And still, human rights are not on their agenda. Again, they've chosen to remain silent. But Tibetans and their supporters are speaking out. We've gathered at Chinese consulates and embassies around the world to send this message to the Chinese leadership. We are ready to shine the Olympic spotlight on your illegal occupation of Tibet and failed human rights record. We are people committed to freedom and justice for Tibet. We are a movement of thousands that spans the globe, and we will not rest until we achieve our goals. We are Team Tibet, and Beijing, we are ready.